So Terry Coxon joins me now. He's a senior editor with Casey Research. He's also a speaker here at the Grand Cayman Liberty Forum. So Terry, good to meet you and speak with you today.
Well, Danielle, I'm happy to be here.
So Terry, I thought it would be fitting to talk about the GLD with you today, since this week marked the 10-year anniversary of the GLD. So let's talk a little bit about paper investments. Do you think they helped the gold market or weakened the gold market? Was it a good idea?
I think GLD and the other ETFs are an inspired idea. They're very good. I think of it in terms of packaging. With better packaging, material becomes available to more people more conveniently and in a more practical fashion. Imagine where the cornflake industry would be if the only way to buy cornflakes was to buy a truckload of them and have them dumped on your doorstep. Most people would not be interested in cornflakes. The ETF makes it easy, digestible, uniform. It's just a great idea.
So Terry, what do you make of gold's current price movement and the fluctuations we've really been seeing on a daily basis here?
Well, it's been lots of fun for people who like to follow the financial news because there's so much of it. The big question right now is whether gold will go back below the recent low of 1090. And my opinion is that it will not, because by now, all the people who had a reason to sell, primarily trend followers, the trend followers have already sold. The people who own it now own it because they see the importance for long-term protection. They're going to keep it.
So what do you make of the US dollar rally? Does that concern you when we're talking gold? Since it's really been the dollar story affecting gold prices.
Yes, there are two main stores of value, the US dollar and gold. The virtue of the dollar is the short-term stability. The virtue of gold is the long-term stability. Right now, what we're seeing is a loss of vitality among the second string and the third string competitors for being the store of value. That strengthens the dollar temporarily and weakens gold temporarily.
So would you say gold is an investment with no borders, especially when bought in physical form?
Well, that is in fact one of the benefits and allures of gold. It is inherently international. It's not tied to any one country, it's not tied to any one government, it's not dependent on this financial institution or that economy. It is the international stuff.
So Terry, just to conclude, I guess as I mentioned, you're a speaker here at the conference. What was your main message to investors here?
The main message is that owning gold is the beginning of internationalization, but it does not complete the job. You need a strong structure to hold the gold, to insulate you from anyone, whether it's a private litigant or government agency, that thinks that it should have the gold.
Terry, on that note, thanks so much for joining us.
Daniela, thank you.
And thanks for watching our coverage here from the Grand Cayman Liberty Forum. You can email us at newsfeedback@kitco.com. Thanks for watching.